back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Who you riding with, Natural Bridge locals? Will it be Michael Ayers or will it be White Coffee? What about Stephen Harrison in third? What about Bryce Smith? But we got a car going in the infield here. Josh DePriest, 59D, but we still got the green light. Green light still going. We're going to go green this time. Chad holding them off. Here we go. Green flag in the air. Green flag in the air. White Coffee jumps out just a little bit over Michael Ayers and takes the lead. 59D of Josh Priest jumps out, and the lap car now is going to be lapped by White Coffee on the inside. Bad call for him to start. Here comes White Coffee trying to lead lap one, which we will get one lap in the books here. White Coffee leads lap one. Mike Ayers in second. There's Bryce Smith in third. Stephen Harrison in fourth. Tim Stallnaker, Preacher Man in fifth. Then there's John Jennings. Back up front, Wyatt Coffee still with a half a second over Michael Ayers. This ought to be a good battle for the lead up front. They're spread out. Top three. Caution is out. Caution is out. Back here with Dale Durham and the 7 of Roger Roball Jr. Stoneville's North Carolina, Dale Durham, and Waynesboro, Virginia's Roger Roball Jr. in turn 4. We will have to have the wrecker come to them to get one of them hooked. Tighten it up, field tighten it up, coming down the backstretch. Here we go. Green light flashing. See what happens here. Green, back out. Wyatt Coffee back out front here. Pulling out for a couple car lengths right there on that restart. Everyone settled single file back through the field here. Little double file in the back. White Coffee back up front. About a half a second on Michael Ayers at the moment. Lap traffic will come a factor here quick here with a full field here of 22 cars. There's a Josh DePriest pit side again. Michael Ayers looks like he's inched closer. Yep, a little bit. Ticked off a little bit there of White Coffee. Just a little bit. Yep. He is the fastest at the moment. So Michael Ayers was fast in qualifying. He's fast here again. He's going to try to run down Waynesboro, Virginia's Wyatt Coffee, point leader right here in their 602 late model. Wyatt Coffee pulls back off of turn 2, going into 3. Got a slow car. Tim Stallnaker, slow in turn 2, top of turn 2. Will bring out the caution here. Looks like a flat right rear on Preacher Man Tim Stallnaker. Tough break for Tim Stallnaker. He was running in 4th. He was in the top 5, ladies and gentlemen. Top 5. Tough break right rear on Tim Stallnaker. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Down the back stretch here comes Wyatt Coffee. Green is coming back out. Double nickel 602 late model. Here we go. Green back out in the air. Wyatt Coffee takes him out. Down the front stretch here. Here comes Bryce Smith on the inside of Michael Ayers a little bit. Stephen Harrison in 4th. John Jennings in 5th. And then there is Jacob Level in 6th. Battle between Hamilton and Beher. Here comes a race for the lead. Michael Ayers and Wyatt Coffee. Michael Ayers is inching closer and closer to the inside of Wyatt Coffee. We got a battle for the lead. Going into turn 3 and 4. Wyatt Coffee's still there. Hits some bumps out of 3 and 4. Throws it back into 1 there. Wyatt Coffee inches out a half a second now. Let's see what happens. There's a spot there in turn 3. They got a straddle. Oh, third cord space. Cars, John Jennings, Jacob Level, Stephen Harrison, Bryce Smith, all of them involved 18 spun to avoid. All those cars right there will have to go to the rear. Green flag back out. White Coffee jumps back out there over Michael Ayers and Stephen Harrison and Jacob Level. See if we get some green flag laps here in our 602 late model feature. Can Michael Ayers reel the Wyatt Coffee machine in? He did a little bit last time, coming on the inside here in turn 4. Bouncing there through it. Within a half a second of him, Michael Ayers in the inside of turn 2 there. Going down the back stretch. But Wyatt Coffee pulls out ahead there. Spaced out good. Michael Ayers to the inside there in turn 4. Still Wyatt Coffee on 9 laps down. This will be a good here. Wyatt Coffee and Michael Ayers back and forth. Michael Ayers and looks like he's better in a little bit in 3 and 4. Wyatt Coffee better in 1 and 2. Ticked off another lap. 10 laps in the books. 15 to go. 10 in the books. 15 to go. Lap traffic will become a factor here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, looked like he slowed down there a little bit to get a better run there. Wyatt Coffee there. We'll be getting close to Bryce Smith, a lap car soon. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The halfway sticks is coming in the air here. Halfway coming right now in our 602 late model feature. Lap traffic is coming up here for Wyatt Coffee. Which way we go? Outside of Bryce Smith. This is the key right here. Key. And then Michael Ayers gets through lap traffic too. 13 laps down. Everybody singled out there. Wyatt Coffee coming up on Daniel Shuey here. Going to the inside of Daniel Shuey. 26F slow going to the infield. Chris Fretwell dropping it pit side. We still stay green here. Wyatt Coffee has led every lap here. Every lap here. Oh, lap down traffic. Oh, Randall Gibson spins in turn 2, brings out the caution. Randall Gibson loops her there. 15 laps in. Wyatt Coffee bringing them down the back side here. Single file coming in. Leader can refire in between the flags here. Let's see what happens. He fires off here. Green is back out. We're green flag racing in our double nickel 602 late model feature. Pulls out half over car length there. Wyatt Coffee got a good restart there, ladies and gentlemen. But look for that 8 of Michael Ayers to reel him in here. Yep. Michael Ayers is a little bit, they're right there neck and neck on the times. Let's see if lap traffic comes in a factor later on here. Ooh, good run there from Michael Ayers out of 4. Bobbling down the front stretch here. Wyatt Coffee still leading. This is going to get interesting with your first and second. Everyone through the back of the field. There you got Ryan LaRue and Joe Moss back and forth. Another lap down, 18 laps down. Little squirrely there by Samuel Bryant and Devin Burher for 5th and 6th, and Jesse Murray back there. Here comes Wyatt Coffee, still at least a half a second over Michael Ayers. 19 laps down. 19 laps down. We got 5 laps coming here. 5 laps coming. Peter Neuter taking over for the last 5 laps.
Thank you very much, and we got about 5 yet to go. Wyatt Coffey is still your race leader, and he is starting to pull away from Michael Ayers. Ayers is still about a 16.557 at this time. Wyatt Coffey's got some lap down traffic to be underway as we continue on as your normal announcers heading down the victory lane. As Wyatt Coffey's to the outside at number 2 machine, still leading this one, but he just got shy about 3 more laps around the speedway. As lap down traffic has now come into play as Wyatt Coffey is still your race leader. It's Michael Ayers to the outside. Meanwhile, Stephen Harrison able to hang on to that 3rd spot after getting involved in that crash. As it's still all Wyatt Coffey still out in front. 16.363, 16.363, his last lap time. He's able to work his way through lap down traffic. 2 to go this time by. As Wyatt Coffey continues to work to the bottom side of the speedway in turn 3 and 4. Slides right in front of that number 81 machine. And he will be able to take off his way down to the backstretch. As it's all Wyatt Coffey through the middle of 3 and 4. White flag should be in the air this time by. White flag in the air. And Wyatt Coffey is your winner here tonight.